Hi, this is Marcello Ducil with www.thefxpert.com, and welcome to another installment in our video tutorial quick start guide. Today we're going to show you where you can download MetaTrader 4 as well as install it and run it. So first things first, we're going to go to google.com. Or whichever search engine of your preference, type in MetaTrader 4 free download. As you can see, there are many options. This time we're going to select the fxdd.com link, which is here at the side for us. We're going to use fxdd.com's website in this particular example. However, you can download the mt4 from any other broker's website. Once again, the choice of a broker is a personal decision. Now, how do we download MetaTrader 4? Here we see a box at the bottom that says request a MetaTrader demo account. Here we'll need to fill out all of the fields and then click on download. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And we press submit. Now this will take you to another window that will have a button that says download MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 4 download. Here we go. We're going to tap on that and this will start the installation wizard. Press save file. Now when it's downloaded, it'll continue there. When it's downloaded and begins to run, we're going to choose our language, our installation language. For us, it will be English, United States. Okay, we will read the information, their disclaimer here. End user license agreement, we'll read that. And we'll check the box, yes, I agree with all the terms of the license agreement. And we'll hit next. We will save MetaTrader 4 to our programs files. It's automatically done for you. Then you'll tap next. Actually, for me, because I've got so many of them, I'm going to name this number 20. Okay, and you would just hit next here. Now you're ready to install FXDD MetaTrader 4.00. Now we're going to hit next again, and it's going to begin the installation process. It's updating registry, creating shortcuts, and when we hit finish here, it's going to launch our FXDD MetaTrader. And voila, we have our MetaTrader platform which has been installed. Now here it will ask you to open an account. This is a demo account, so I'm going to put in my name and my information. Okay. All right. We're going to put our information in. Now here we can choose basically whatever deposit amount that we'd like. We're going to make this $50,000 standard account. And check on I agree to subscribe to your newsletters. That's what a requirement is to get the next button highlighted. We're going to hit next, next again, and voila, there we go. We've got our login, our password, and our investor code. We're going to write down these codes because this is basically our login information for our demo account. We're going to hit finish, and then it should automatically log us in to our MetaTrader 4 account, and our MetaTrader platform is ready to run. And that pretty much concludes our how to download and install MetaTrader 4 video tutorial. This is Marcello DeSille signing off with www.thefxpert.com.